track, maintenance services, regos, and so on?
Yep, yeah, absolutely. So yeah, so you'll have a form section in here, so they can complete a daily plant inspection checklist. So me as the operator, I need to do one each day. So this is just a form that we have in our system. It kind of follows in line with what we've seen in the industry. So I can capture the hours for this piece of equipment. I can then go through my checklist of things that I need to walk around and check. So check the cabin, checked the windscreens, check the electrical system. I can see there's some exposed wires, so I'm going to put a fault identified down there. Because I actually answered that question with a fault identified, you can then build logic where it opens up or expands to two or four more questions, or however many questions you need to capture. So because I answered that, it's now opened up a text field, and I can provide a bit more detail. So exposed wires in there, and I can also add some photos for it. And then you just keep going through these questions. Now, you can make all these questions mandatory, which a lot of our customers do. Just for this demo, I don't make them mandatory because we'll be here until 1 o'clock if I have to answer all these questions. So we'll just skip through this. But if I do try to submit it without answering a certain question, it'll then prompt me that I need to sign off on that. But that's me now done. So I've now done my pre-start. I've done my docket. I've already got some timesheets already in there. All that data is now back in the dashboard.